see. All right, so y'all, right now I'm actually looking for my vehicle. Well, not my vehicle, but the vehicle that I rented, which was a Bronco. I don't know what it is with these Broncos, but I fucking love these Broncos. Best cars ever. Cool thing about building startups is when you're trying to build a startup or any business, you don't just want to build it just because you think it's cool. You want to build it because it's actually a problem that can be fixed, and a problem that pretty much a lot of people have. So it's kind of like figuring out your segment in the market and understand where's your segment at in the market. And that's kind of the cool thing about the startups that I have built. And what I'm actually building is not just one startup, it's multiples. It's a whole ecosystem that I'm putting it together, and I'm working with different brands, different companies, different entrepreneurs, different business owners. Like, you know, the one that I got going on right now, I don't want to give out too much info, but the goal, the objective is, like I said, figure out your segment, figure out the problem. If it is a problem, ask questions. That's the biggest thing I did. Like, I did an assessment test for one of my other projects to figure it out, but you gotta ask questions. Ask questions, let people understand their needs, understand the problems, and then if you got it, you got the solution to it. So I think this is the Bronco right here. It looks like it is, because it's got this whole rental thing up top here. I would be curious if it's not, but I think this is it. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and get this stuff in here and get the ball rolling. Let's see, hopefully this is it. Yep. All right, yeah, we got everything. So we're gonna get this going and get the bags in here. So finally got in the Bronco. I love it, it's a cool Bronco, nothing special. I like how it says super high. I think because it's a short, people thing. We just like to sit high. So anyway, yeah, I got that on the way to this Airbnb, and then I'm gonna grab some food, and then later supposed to be meeting up with the CEO of Board Funded, be doing some stuff with them. Like I said, just some partnerships that I got going on, which I'm excited about. Very first client here. There's another client I'm actually working on now to lock in a deal for one of my startups. And it's exciting, man. This is never done in this prop industry before, and I'm excited to be a part of this and see how this grows and see what this can do in the prop industry as. All right, so it's day 2 where I'm at, and pretty much I'm just looking at my charts right now, analyzing it. It's actually 11 o'clock here, so fortunately I wasn't able to take any trades, but typically I will be taking trades on US 30 and pretty much just looking to grow the account from there. Now I'm actually using Board Funded platform to one, test, and then two, to actually trade on it for my stage 2 account right now. I am funded now, but currently working on another account, just helping, doing some testing, and then also seeing exactly what setups I can get into, because I'm actually going to show y'all my charts. But if we're looking at US 30, paying attention closely here, this is where US 30 is at. I'm actually looking on it to continue to drop still. And one reason why I'm actually looking to drop, I dropped a video on it, by the way, so you guys make sure you check out the video. It goes into Q1 and Q2 for 2025 on trading US 30, NASDAQ, and oil. But I mentioned in there that I'm actually looking on it to drop a little bit, just kind of like what NASDAQ did. Here we actually dropped. So I do see NASDAQ heading up for a little bit, and then potentially I want to see what happens around these highs right here. And then hopefully if it, let's say, rejects it, then I would like to see it drop to some of these levels down here and take some of this liquidity out down here. And then also on US 30, I'm actually just looking on this just to continue to drop. So even though it looks like it may be going up, but guys, I'm telling you right now, definitely looking on this to drop. Let me change this to white. There we go. So I'm definitely looking on this to drop. I just really want to see what we can do and see where we can go from there. So that's pretty much the update on that. I'm actually today supposed to be doing some stuff at the beach house and everything like that. So hopefully I'm gonna have y'all come out and check that all out. And then tune in with me with all of this and see what we got going on. But other than that, man, let's just have a good time. Let's do it. Currently on the way to this home. This is actually, like I said, startup business, partner up with the CEO for Board. So we're actually on this way to one of his homes. And it's a nice area out here. We are in like somewhere in Miami, I think Coast Beach, something like that. I don't know. But yeah, we're pulling up now. So I want to show y'all a little bit of like the lifestyle and the home. I think this might be it right here. Let's see. It looks like this might be it right here. Hey Siri, call Anthony.
Calling Anthony A.
Yeah, I think this is it right here.
Yeah, you in front?
Yeah, I think so. Is it the black gate?
Yeah, it's 101.
101 or 10? Oh, yeah. In front.
101.
Okay, there's somebody in front of it.
There's somebody. Yeah, just let him know you're with me.
All right.
With Anthony.
All right. Literally. All right. Yo, brother.
Okay, there you go.
Where can I park at?
We try. Let her finish because she gotta pull up. You shouldn't
All right.
finish washing the car. She's gonna pull up.
All right.
So just pull up over here for now.
All right, guys. So as y'all see, we here. Basically, we got the Maybach. We got the Rose. We're gonna get some content today.
We're losing daylight, so let's try to get something.
Yeah, we gotta get something going quick.
Right now, let her finish with the car, and then we'll get Zarek cleaning, just to make it shine, so you can put it in the video.
Hold on, let me get a
Get the inside.
Whoa, that's crazy. Hold on.
You would never see an interior like this.
No, that's crazy. I didn't know you was doing it like this, Aunt. Let them know. See, wait, what? What do you do?
Who are you again?
You know.
Nah, this is clean though.
Best friend.
Nah, guys, this is clean. Then we got the Maybach over here. So it's crazy right now. We just finished. I had to mute myself. We just finished shooting at the house. We're actually out now. Was trying to do hookah. About to do in this meeting, and yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, guys. So basically, just finished up a lot of meetings today. Pretty much that's all I was doing today. Just a bunch of meetings, and now I'm actually on my way back to Chicago. So this was a dope success trip. I would definitely say this is an A1 trip. And like I told you guys, you know, this is all startup stuff that I'm partnering up with a lot of different big companies, prop firms, and all of that fun stuff. So, you know, it's a cool experience to see it, believe it, feel it, and be it, you know, and I kind of got that. And there's a lot more coming. So guys, stay tuned. We have a lot of dope videos coming along when it comes to these startup videos. I want to see how this does. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like this, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.